Hi, I'm Tom. I just got off of the all-new Blizzard Bonafide 97 for this year. They packed a bunch of cool technology into this ski, and it really shows. It starts with this TrueBlend core, where they put 7 different stringers into the ski that allow the core to really flex and balance perfectly for each length. And what that does is it provides you a ski that's really damp and really powerful, but still has a good amount of life to it, a good energy to the finish of the turn. And 9700 foot is definitely aimed at your advanced to expert level skier who's looking to tackle the whole hill with one ski. Gets up on the edge and rails carves on groomers. Tons of edge hold, tons of power, a nice finish pop to it. But when you get into softer snow, the thing really comes alive. It's super easy to maneuver for how powerful it is. You're able to flick it pretty easily. When you get into crud and bumps, it's a maneuverable nimble ski, and you don't have to work super hard for how much power it gives you back. Again, for your advanced to expert level who's looking for an all-mountain ripper, this is it.